I'm Tom from Do It Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at why, if you're a brand, you should work with us, and how, if you want to work with us as a brand, you can actually go about doing that. So we are Do It Yourself Home Automation. We're a channel on multiple platforms. We've been around since 2006, and we cover all aspects of home automation as well as general consumer tech and home products. Kind of our flagship is the YouTube channel where you're probably watching this video. We've got over 3,000 subscribers at this point. You can see some of our popular videos here. Let's take a look at the actual data on our audience. This is for the last 28 days, so about 1 month. As you can see, we got about 500,000 impressions and about around 120,000 views. So we're on track in 2021 to get about 1.54 million views on our videos. So quite a reach. It's only about 700 videos that are achieving that. So we're really proud of a pretty engaged audience and a pretty broad audience there. Also of relevance if you are a brand and you want to work with us is taking a look at the exact audience here. So you can see it's about 92,000 unique people who are looking at the channel in the last month or so. About over half are from the United States, very important for a lot of brands. And as you can see, we're really engaging quite well with the very lucrative 25 to 34 and 35 to 44-year-old demographics. We skew male, but we actually have a pretty good breakdown there. So a great audience there on YouTube, quite a large reach, and I think we're engaging a really great segment of that market. In addition to that, we're also an Amazon influencer. So many of the products that we review on our YouTube channel also end up as Amazon influencer videos. Everything's at our editorial discretion, but most of the time these do get mirrored over. And we have hundreds of videos now that are linked directly to products' Amazon pages to help people make informed decisions about which products to buy when they're on the Amazon platform. We also have a Facebook page with over 1,000 followers. People there love to engage with the posts that we make there and on other platforms. And we also have a blog where many of the articles bring in tens of thousands or more views. So for a given product, we might do several YouTube videos, which then may be mirrored to Amazon influencer. We also do social posts about nearly everything that we cover. And in many cases, we write up these detailed review articles on platforms like Medium for our blog. You can see breaking these down into some of these individual products, we can get tens of thousands of views or more. So it's great exposure for the brands that decide to work with us. Following all the industry standards, we always disclose any kind of sponsored content or any situation where we've received a free product to review. But we do love to work with brands, anything from a small product that's just launched on Kickstarter all the way up to major world-leading brands we've worked with at different points in time. So the easiest way to work with us, if you want to see your own product reviewed across our channels, reach out to doityourselfhomeautomation@gmail.com. Again, that's doityourselfhomeautomation, all one word, @gmail.com. You can also reach out to me personally at tom@doityoimages.com and let us know what kind of product you'd like to have us cover. In most cases, if you're able to send a sample or a review unit, we're able to do that coverage if it fits with our overall editorial goals. We cover home automation, but we also cover, again, everything from toys to kitchen products to other kinds of appliances, even experiences and things that tie into our usually very tech-savvy audience. So if you're a brand and you're interested in that, if you're also interested in sponsored content opportunities, we're happy to discuss that as well. Again, reach out, doityourselfhomeautomation@gmail.com or tom@doityoimages.com to reach me directly, and we look forward to working with you.